So today is Monday.
Your support.
No,
and
it's
your
not. It's not.
encouragement,
It's
your
Tuesday.
constant words of just positivity really help.
And we have just returned from Tennessee, where we took a load of things that we're going to keep with us, or keep in storage so that we have them whenever we want them, sentimental stuff. So today we're watching the Kinetic Kittens. Staying focused and trying to figure out how we will potentially load our trailer. We have the dimensions.
How do people look like this?
La Güera, you're interrupting my video.
Tomorrow we have a video.
Special.
The dimensions of what will be our trailer this way. That's all that we have packed right now. And yeah, that's how much space we're gonna have and how much stuff we're gonna be able to take. So I think today we are at just under 7 weeks to go. I have a countdown, 47 days. So, do you want to tell about the trailer? Do you want to tell about the trailer? What you've done here.
And we created a diagram of dimensions of the trailer. And the trailer basically goes up 5 feet right here. Yes, I'm tall. It goes 6 feet right here in a curve. And it's also 10 feet long by 5 feet wide. And that's it. So whatever fits
So
in
we've
here.
recreated this in our dining room.
Yeah, and whatever we fit in here goes, and whatever doesn't fit in here goes down.
Stays.
Or gets donated.
Gets thrown away or donated.
Yeah.